Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the browser that you are using, in my case is Google Chrome, then tap on the More icon, which is 3.1 in the right upper corner, and then select History. Then go to Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced features. So under Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Images and Files, and then in Advanced you can come along with saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. So you can unmark something if you would like to, for example, leave site settings, but I would like to delete them all. And finally just pick the time range, so you can delete history from last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, and I will pick all time. Click on Clear Data and confirm on Clear. And this is it, you've just cleared from data. Click on OK, got it, and as you can see there is no more history here, and you can create it from the beginning. So that would be all. This is how you can clear browsing data on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.